Burpees, take flight, no pilot. Sardine, curve, bitch, no bias. Back up, kick back. I gotta get on stage, you better get on page. Hey, you looking out the window, painting, ain't no brain in anything but in the way. If I say this, what it is, forget the lip. What's my point? Now I forget. I been fucking up my script, so fuck this shit, I got this shit. Get into the corner, everybody say it when I'm blocking shit. Blocks and shit, popping people, trapping, sipping lean. Y'all niggas fall for anything. You got a plug, you better eat. Kingpin, you a pancake. Kingpin, you a pancake. Bye, niggas insane. Try-eye, nigga, risky. 500 wrist bees. Niggas shoot like the what? Never been, never had, never knew. 1, 2, 3. Jump with a nigga, never came to. Let's go. Never been a bitch, now I gotta roll on the wrist. Never had shit, never take, never ask it. Give me this, give me that. Okay. Make some fucking noise one time right now.
Adaptation is about the triumph of the human spirit, but more than anything, it was about trust.
Check, hands up. Get them up. Front to back, left to right, hands up. Everybody in this bitch, hands up. Get them up. Oh my God. I got a real serious question for you, Rotterdam. Look, okay, what you call a chick that don't suck dick? And if you think you finna come up, D, down comes the boogie and up jumps up. Just be taking the beating like hand down to. Just if you damn, baby, your ass stand out and pumps. Outstanding, stand outside until your man come. Or you can leave with the kid, we can play some. You know I came from the dirt. Nigga, this a 3-point and 100 Will Chamberlain with the shouty little shit that be turning to an air puppet. She moan sound like German or something. Run game, bitch, you think I'm tired dirty or something? Give me a jersey. I done ball so hard I called it Will Joe bitch out of my bed in a birdie. You got the leader, mama, the clock's turning. I hit it first rate, Jay, you run. They bleed like guts, so a nigga can never. No nigga got more blow than Jid, barely scratching the fucking surface. You need work, you need purpose. Everything cool, everybody trap. Everything cool, don't nobody act nervous. Just ignore the fact that your favorite rap nigga is a step. We don't jack niggas, get that act from the ratchet. Get the pack out the package. Little savage ass, ratchet ass, habit ass, jacket ass, trapping ass, rapping ass. Finna blast green out, send a gas, finna bad, minivan, finna dead. Everybody jump, what? Jump, what? Jump, what? Jump, what? Jump, what? Jump, what? Jump. Hit a nigga, make the crowd jump like some boom. She's beautiful. Yo, how the fuck y'all feeling? What's good, yo? Again, bro, my name is J.I.D, bro. Nigga came a long way. I'm from East Atlanta, bro. Hell yeah. I just want to say thank y'all for coming over here, sharing this energy with a nigga and shit, bro. This shit gonna be a great time today. I promise. If you're ready to have a good time today, say fuck yeah, Jid. Fuck yeah, Jid. You ready to have a great time today, say hell yeah, Jid. Hell yeah, Jid. Okay. How you feeling, Christo? Go on with your vibe. Everybody put your